scores of Chinese drones, warplanes, entering Taiwan's air defense zones. China is stepping up the heat with air incursions in Taiwanese air defense zones. Just last Friday, Taiwanese fighters scrambled against 38 Chinese aircraft in 2 waves. According to Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense, a total of 149 Chinese aircraft entered Taiwan's air defense identification zone between October 1 and 4. And now Taiwan is worried, as tensions are worst in more than 40 years. When a lawmaker asked Taiwanese defense minister about the military tensions with China, Chiu Kung said the situation was the most serious in more than 40 years since he joined the military. Chiu said China already has the ability to invade Taiwan and it will be capable of mounting a full-scale invasion by 2025, which means in less than 4 years. But why the surge in tensions now? Some say October 1 is China's National Day and October 10 is Taiwan's. So the period in between is especially politically charged. Some reports suggest that China is reacting to the arrival of an armada east of the island comprising ships from the US, UK and 4 other countries: France, the Netherlands, Canada and the New Zealand for military exercises. Beijing opposes Taipei having any official diplomatic exchanges and has aggressively tried to dissuade politicians from visiting in recent years. Recently, French senators visited Taiwan despite protests from China. The Chinese embassy warned that the visit would damage the interests of China, Chinese-French relations, and the image of France. China and Taiwan vary in their military capabilities. Hence, outside support is important for Taipei. The US, with its increasing conflict with China, is Taiwan's main military supplier.
Well, we remain concerned by the People's Republic of China's provocative military activity near Taiwan, which is destabilizing, risks miscalculations, and undermines a regional peace and stability. We urge Beijing to cease its military, diplomatic, and economic pressure and coercion against Taiwan, and we have an abiding interest in peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait. That's why we will continue to assist Taiwan in maintaining a sufficient self-defense capability.
So now what is the history behind China and Taiwan's conflict? China views Taiwan as a breakaway province. However, democratic Taiwan sees itself as a sovereign state. The island has its own constitution, military, and democratically elected leaders. But China insists that the island will be reclaimed at some point by force if necessary.